Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Big Giant Tech here. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment to my video. Your subscribing to my channel is very important. It enables me to provide more videos like this. Alright, this is the home page of this website, which is slick. Now let me just navigate straight to the user section. Now this is the user section. This is for trading and investment. It is nice as a dev. If you want to get something like this, you can message me on WhatsApp or click on my bio to get most of my information. So just stick to the end of this video to be able to understand how we're able to achieve these results. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Big Giant Tech. If this is your first time watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube. Now this video installation today is all about how to create a color riot forex trading website. Why I call it color riot is it's a kind of custom design by me, so I'm just trying to give it a different name to sound good. Alright, so I'm using Hostinga for this video installation. So if you're new to Hostinga or you're using cPanel, it's still the same process. Now this is my website is empty, so I'll go back to my Hostinga dashboard. The very first thing you do is create your company email account. To create an email account is quite easy. Okay, it's very easy. And the next segment is locate your file manager. So this is my file manager, it's empty, so I'll go straight to where I have upload and I'll select my file. So this is uploading. The next section is I'll go straight to my dashboard and go to database. So let me fill out this information. So I've done mine. I've created all the informations here, so I'll click on create. So if you're using cPanel, once you reach the section, you put in your user password. After that, there will be a new window which shows you all privileges. Ensure to click on that. It's very important. Now this is it. So I'll click on enter my PHP my admin. So if you're using cPanel, locate PHP my admin. So I'll go to my DB and click what import. So I'll choose my file. Now this is my database information. So I'll click open. Scroll down and click what import. You can see this has been uploaded successfully. I'll click on structure. Good. So let me go back to my public_html. My file is still uploading. So while this is uploading, go back to your cPanel or your HPanel, locate PHP configuration, which is your multiple PHP manager. Yeah, I'll change this to 7.4. Now I'll click what update. Good. As you can see, our file has been uploaded successfully. So I'll extract this by right clicking on your PC. So since I'm using a cigar, I'll just put any characters here as a new folder. So double click on this folder, just copy all, ensure to copy all. Okay, then move to your public_html or your add-on domain. So I'll click on move. Then let me delete this folder and also this. Good. Now the next section is locate app. Now go to con.php, edit this. Now the database information you saved, so copy this is your DB name. You paste this. This is for the username. So all what you're doing is copy and paste. Now go back to the password section, copy the password section. Now this is good. So I'll click on save. Now X this section here. Good. And the next section is you go to EN. Okay, I'm coming back to this section. Go back to app. So come to this section, your admin. Then scroll down to where you have con.php. Do the same thing here. Here's the password. Though why this script is this section for you uploading your wallet address is through the file manager. So I'll get to that soon. So just click save. Then scroll down to where you have db.con.php. You do the same thing here. Always copy all information, very important. Now click save. Now exit this section also. I'll go back to app, then go to dashboard, then locate con.php. You do the same thing here also. Do not forget. So watching this video installation is very important. Any step you miss, you've missed it all. That's just the truth. As you can see, while I'm copying the characters and pasting it, do not paste them outside this column. If not, you have errors. Then you save the section, exit. Okay, then go back to app, go to EN. Now this EN is also very important. Now locate all the php.php section here. It's very important. Now the very first, I'll come with this forget.php, edit this. Scroll down, you have some email sections here. Copy your email, copy this email, and now this is kind of different, so I have to edit most of it. So anyway, you see any domain, you can just paste your domain here. So the this is your image link, so you paste your image link here or just put your domain. It's quite easy. So this section here, you paste. So what you're doing is actually you're copying and paste. Now this is for here is the name section. Just change it to your name. Then here, ensure you put them inside. There's lesser than or greater than. Then here is also your company email. So while I'm doing this, I just want you guys to know you can actually change this to your company name if you want to. Then I'm done with this. I click save. So I'll exit this section, go to the next, which is login.php. Now this is also, just leave this section that way. Okay. So where you're seeing different emails, ensure to change it to your company email. You can change it to your company name. Good. So we're done with this. Save this section and go back to the next, which is we have the register.php. So do not miss out on any informations, which all informations here are important to do. Because this is the email section, so this requires the manual sections you just have to do. By editing these customized sections, so most of the informations are just ignored. Mind you, this takes a little time, but you get it. As long as you're doing what I'm doing, I just want to take my time to do this. Just love taking my time to show you guys how to properly install a script or edit this section. This is for reset. Let me go to verify.php. No need to do the sections, so I'll go back to app. Now I think we're good to go. We're good to go. So let me go to my website and reload the section. Wow, as you can see, this is the front end of the website, which is nice. Okay, this is the front end of this website. To edit this front end, you go back to your public_HTML. So everything you see here is the front end, belongs to the front end. So when I edit this is all about this front end section. Okay, now the next section is go to login. Now this is the login section. Now go back to public_HTML, go to app, then locate en. So all the sections here belongs to the login and the registration sections. As you come to register, now you see all these sections, so everything belongs to the app_en, so you're able to do most of the changes there. Okay, so this is it. To edit it is very easy. Okay, let me just show you something real quick. Okay, it's very easy. There's no point. I don't want to waste our time doing certain things. Okay, so let me just open the admin section. So for the admin information, it's your domain name /app/your-admin/login.php, unlike this login section, which is en. You get it? So to get admin information, go to your php admin, go to admin user. So click on admin user, edit this section. So I'll come back here, put in my admin. Now this is the admin username. Sorry, this is the admin username. You can change it. And this is your admin password. So I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and encrypt this password. Then click on go. So I'll go back to the admin login and put in my username, then my password. I'll click sign in. So go back to your admin. So go to edit. Instead of reusing encrypt, take it to MD5. Locate MD5. MD5 to hash the password. Then go to click on go. Go back to admin sections and admin. Then I'll click sign in. Good. And this is the admin section, which is good. So this is it, and there is no user. So go back to the home section. So I'll go back to login. We'll just go straight to register an account. Let me just fill out this information. So I'll just click on this and confirm. I'll click on register. You can see registration successful. So I'll just fill out this information again. Sorry, it will take me to my dashboard. Okay, you can see. This is it. Now you can see the design, which is nice. It is so nice. So this is how it is. Let me just go to my email. You can see the email is coming for registration section. So remember I told you guys to change much of the information you're saying. Very, very important. Now this is the email link. Just ensure to put in your own email link to your this takes the user to your image address. So this is your image address link. Sorry, if you click on this, you don't need to even click on this. Take this out, take this section out. Okay, you don't need to do this. Once I go back to app, go to en, locate register, edit this section. That section there is for the verify section, right? Let's locate that link. Click here to activate. Now this is the verify.php. Just delete this. Just delete this. Just remove this code instead. This is the TRTR. Just remove this code instead and click save. You understand? So just remove that. You don't need to verify anything. So once I come back to the user section, now this is how the user is. It's so slick, guys. Let me just show you guys something. So I'll take this, and so this is how the user section is, which is nice and which is good. You can see the admin sections is slick, right? And this is it. So I'll just come back here and click this. Good. So I'll go to account funding. Now once you come to account funding, now this is account funding section. Mind you, all these things are clickable because it takes users to financial news. It takes users to market section, I guess, which is nice also. You can also do most of your editing privately. Now for this section, now we have the investment and the account funding type. Users can fund through investment or fund through wallet. Now this comes in two ways also. I'll explain it. Now once you come to account funding, go to your PHP public_HTML, then go to dashboard, locate account funding, edit this. Now once you scroll down to where you have, let me just search on this. Let me say investment. Now for the investment section, these are investment plans. So you can also, this one I'll show you guys. You can add more of this. Add more of these sections. For instance, let me just show you. Copy this and paste this. It should be gold plan. Let me see, 45%. This is good. Then click on save. Then exit this section. As I come back to the account funding, let me reload this section. So ensure your PHP version is 7.4. If not, it won't go. So once the user selects any of the currency, Ethereum or Litecoin, any of this currency. Let me say Tron. Then select these sections and put in an amount. For instance, the select plan, you can see this section. Let me go back again. So once you go to account funding, right out didn't show, but we only add this for the Bitcoin section. So let me just copy this. Let me just copy this full option here. Then scroll down. This is for Ethereum, so I'll just paste this here. This is for Litecoin, I guess. I'll paste this here. So basically this is it. So I just want to show you guys that you can add multiple. So you just can notice that you can be able to do investment here. And after you've done this, then click save. You shall go back to the account funding. I'll reload the section. Good. So once I click here and I select this Tron section, then select plan, you can see. So that is it. Now for this investment section, it's kind of tricky. I guess this happens with my customization, but users come to fund wallet, then put in an amount to fund and click on fund wallet. Now this is the process, right? Now you can see this is not available. Now you can see how it is. This is the fund wallet section. Okay. Now the very first thing you do is locate funding process. Go to your file manager. Now exit this section. Locate funding process. Now this is funding process. Edit this section. You just scroll down to where you have this PHP section here. Now this is the section you change in your wallet address. So I'm using Tron, right? So which is not available. So you just change this not available section. You just change it to your wallet address. That's same thing for the Bitcoin. You can see the wallet section here. So after you've done that, click word save. So I come back here. Let me reload here. You can see, right, this is how you change your wallet information, which is also good. So after users have done this, then you can also change this email through this process. So in order to do most of this information now, I'm here at this wallet funding section. Just keep on scrolling. Scroll down to where you see email. Let me see. Okay. So that section there is this section. You can change it. Let me just Control F or Command F. Now this is it. Just change it to your company email. You get it. So ensure to go through the whole process of the script. So let me go back to the account funding. Then as a user, I'll click on I've completed this payment. I can see how it is payment successful, which is good. Now it takes them to this session. So I'll go back to that bin. I'll go to user deposits. You can see the user deposit as wallet. So once I click here, I'll click what approved, which is good. Once you go to investment, you see there's none, right? Good. So this is it. This is for deposits. Come to user registration section. Click on this button here to approve this user. That's good. Alright, so I'll come back to this section. Let me reload here. And you can see how it is, right? So let me go back again to the user section. Go to account funding. Let me just select PayPal. Let me just go with Bitcoin and go to investment. Let me say this amount for investment. Let me select plan and fund account. Then click I have completed payments. So basically this is how it is. Once I go back to admin, I'll go to user deposit. You can see. Now click here and click this icon to approve this. Good. Once you approve it, you come to investment section. You can see now it takes out the first wallet information here down to the database. So ensure to change. This is the deposit transaction just now. So ensure to change most of the information. We have this as deposit transaction, right? Come to dashboard. Let's see. It said deposit transaction, so definitely it's the account funding or funding process. Account funding here. So Command F for Control L. So definitely not this section. So just ensure you go through all the process here, all the information in this script, to be able to edit. There's a lot of editing to do there. So I'll just reload the section. Now you can see. So down to the trading section. Once user come to this section here, they select option type. That is 1 minute to 5 minutes. Then select duration time. And so they fill out an amount. Let me just say go with 2,300. Then once I come to this section here, maybe I'll call or put, meaning buy or sell. I'll put on call. I see it takes them to risk disclaimer. I'll click I understand. Trading successfully placed. This has come to statements to see transaction history. You can see all the transaction history. Come to trading history. I can see how it is, right? It's nice. So I'll go back to admin. I'll come back to this investments shortly. Go back to trade results. This is trade. Once I make a trade, it's come to trade result, and the next section is I'll click on this plus section here. Then enter the profit for this trade. If it's profit, you put it as profit. So description, let me say trade. Then status, trade as profit or successful. Now click what? Dates. Let's just leave it that way and click post profit. You can also backdate this information if you want. So I go back to this section and reload. Successful trade. If I go back to trading, you can see my profit, right? And this is good. This is how it is. It's sleek. It is nice. Let me do another trade. Let me just come to this 1 day. Select duration. Let me just put this as 250. I'll come again and put this as put. And I understand the risks involved in trading. So I'll come back to this admin section. You go to trade results again and click on the plus section. You can also reject the trade if you want. I'll put this as 0. I'll put trade lost or failed, trade lost and lost. Then click on post profit. Once I come to this section and reload, just reload this section normally. So I go to account statement, I go to trading history, lost trade. If I come to earning history, earning, you can see it's 0, meaning it's lost. So that's how it is. So you're also getting emails. Remember, you're also getting emails. So that I told you guys to go through all this process. I was unable to go through all the process based on time to just edit. Actually, to go through all this process, you're able to edit every information that is not yours. Okay. So that section is for trading. Now for the investment section, once you come to admin, go to investment. Let me come to user earning. Okay, I go to investment. So click on this plus section. Now percentage for this investment, let me say it's 5. Amount of 5,000. Let me say 8,000. Duration for 48 hours. Approved due date and today's date. Let me just change this to 20 and post earning. So as you come to earning history, I reload this section again. I can see investment profit. So basically this is how it is. It's nice and sleek. If you want to get something like this, it's very good. Okay, so we've done all the crucial parts for this script. So let me just go straight to withdrawals. Now this is the user withdrawal section, which is nice, right? The user click on any of the icons display. So I just have to do this for some informations. Okay, so users is withdrawing with Litecoin, then they'll put in their wallet address, and proceed to verification. So this is it. Once I go back to trading, once I go back to withdraw, you can see how it is. See, this is the address of the user. Then I click on this section here, approve the withdrawal section. Come here and let me reload this. So once I come to account, go to withdrawals. Sorry, go to statement and go to transaction history. You can see the withdrawal. So basically this is all about this platform, guys. You can come to user settings, go to personal data. Now this is nice. There are things to change. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment on my YouTube platform. See you guys in the next